Hey guys, I'm excited to talk to you today about the release date of the iPhone 15. There have been a lot of rumors out there, but I'm going to try to clear things up for you. One of the most significant rumored changes to the iPhone 15 is the design. The iPhone 15 is rumored to have a new design with a pill-shaped cutout for the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors and a smaller notch for the earpiece. This design is similar to what is currently found on the iPad Pro. The smaller notch is expected to free up more space for the display, while the pill-shaped cutout is rumored to house the Face ID sensors and a new ambient light sensor. The iPhone 15 is also rumored to be powered by the new A16 Bionic chip, which is expected to be a significant upgrade over the A15 Bionic chip in the iPhone 14. The A16 Bionic chip is rumored to be manufactured on a 3nm process, which will offer improved performance and efficiency. Now, let's talk about the camera. The iPhone 15 is rumored to have a major upgrade to its camera system. It's said to feature a new 48-megapixel rear camera with improved low-light performance. This 48-megapixel sensor is expected to allow the iPhone 15 to capture more detail in low-light conditions and even record 8K video. What's more, the iPhone 15 is said to introduce a new cinematic mode for video recording, automatically adjusting focus between subjects, much like the portrait mode for photos, but for videos. Moving on, there are some exciting additional features to anticipate. The iPhone 15 is rumored to have a new periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. This lens is expected to offer significantly better zoom capabilities than the current telephoto lens on the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. Another anticipated feature is the new always-on display, allowing you to access information even when the phone is locked. This feature, already present in some Android phones, is likely to be a great addition to the iPhone. And speaking of updates, the iPhone 15 is expected to come with a new version of iOS 16, which is rumored to have a plethora of new features and improvements. This includes a redesigned lock screen, new widgets, and enhanced multitasking features. In conclusion, these are just a few of the exciting rumored features of the iPhone 15. While it's too early to definitively confirm the final product's look and features, these rumors give us a tantalizing glimpse into what the next generation of Apple's flagship smartphone might offer. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this overview, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates.